You can go to edit mode, and I will edit this object. You can use the loop cut. We'll set for the items into 3 for the cutting items and set into middle point. We create again the loop cut in face, set into 2 and set into middle point. Now we'll select at this face. You can use the face selection and extrude. Now we can move in y-axis to here. Go back into the object mode, and if you want to mirror, first I will copy this object. You can duplicate into y-axis, and I will mirror this object. You can go to object menu and then click on mirror. There are the option interactive mirror, or you can use the X, Y, Z global. Here you can also press Ctrl M to use this interactive mirror. So you can press Ctrl M, or you can press Y to mirror in Y-axis, or you can mirror in X-axis, the next in the Z-axis. So in here I will mirror in Y-axis, you can click to apply. To move into this object, you can use move tools and then set for the base point. I will click in here and move into here. Now to join these two objects, you can select the two objects and you can press Ctrl J, join the object. But if you want go into the edit mode, it will be spared between these two objects. And select Ctrl L, so it will be set into the two objects. But if you want to go into the object mode, it will become joined to the object. So in here, if you want to connect in these two objects, we can use the bridge face tools. For example, I will move this object. You can select, and we can move in y-axis into here. Now we can combine or dissolve this face. Dissolve face. Also in the other dissolve face. Next, I will move object in y-axis here a bit. Then you can use bridge face. Don't forget to select the multiple face. Right click and then choose bridge face to connect between the objects. So this will be combined or merged in these two objects. Also in the object mode. To mirror again, you can press Ctrl M, and I will mirror in the Z-axis, and you can click to apply.